Hello, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm sharing with you the two most delicious Nigerian soup you don't want to miss in this channel. So the first one is what you're looking at, vegetable, but this time we're not using the popular ugu leaf. We're using water leaf and bitter leaf. Do you know how to make it? Keep watching because I'll share that with you. The second one is obolo soup. Do you know how to prepare it? You can prepare obolo soup using so many methods, but in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple method to use and cook this yummy bubbling soup on the screen. So keep watching and don't go away. Let's dive into making it. So all the ingredients will be introduced. I put them into the pot. So the first thing we have in our pot is the beef. After washing it properly, then I go with momo, then the boned fish. To that I add my garlic. It's optional. If you're a lover of garlic, please go ahead and add some. And then half teaspoon of salt to taste, seasoning for the beef and every other thing. Then my ginger, water, and also the chef all together. So add ginger if you're also a lover of ginger. To that I add my yellow chili pepper blended with some onions. This gives nice flavor to the beef. After that, take your turning stick, mix the blend together until all ingredients blend properly with the beef and the chicken. With the beef and the fish and the momo, that is the cow skin. Cover and allow to simmer on a low flame for 10 minutes to allow the meat to produce its own water. And after 10 minutes you can see that the meat has mushed. There's enough water, as in it has some water here, but at this point I'll be taking the fish off and then add more water to allow the meat to cook properly. Everyone, hello, if this is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome. If you like Nigerian recipes, of course, tune in and then watch to the end, and don't forget to like and comment and share my video. So after cooking the beef for 40 minutes, the next thing we do is to add our already washed water leaf. This is water leaf. And then after adding that, I go ahead with my crayfish. Use crayfish according to your taste. To that I add some yellow chili pepper, and then I'll be adding some palm oil. Vegetable soup require lots of palm oil, but not so much, okay? But use according to what you would like, the way you would like it. Cover and allow to cook for just 5 minutes, and after that take a turning stick, stir to combine. Taste for salt, taste for pepper, taste if all the ingredients is fine, and then I'll be adding some uziza leaf, known as black pepper leaf, and then mix to combine. The reason for this is just to give it a flavor and a cool aroma. Everyone, cover again just for a minute and then open and stir to combine. At this point I'll be adding the fish back into the soup stock, and then after this I'll be introducing the new vegetable leaf for this soup. Like I told you, is bitter leaf. Have you tried making vegetable with just water leaf and bitter leaf, fresh bitter leaf washed by yourself? The soup is super delicious. That is why I say one of the most delicious soup in Nigeria. If you've not tasted it and you're coming to Nigeria for this holiday, make sure you have this. It's super delicious and it's super healthy. Bitter leaf is already a healthy leaf, and then imagine combining it with water leaf together. It goes so well, and it goes with any swallow. It comes out so super nice and delicious, and I say let me share it with you my dear families here on YouTube, and those who are just popping into my video for the first time, don't forget to like and comment and share. Now to the second soup. Into a clean pot I transferred another beef. You can use other protein, but I chose to use beef. To that I add a brown skin momo, that is cow skin momo. You can use the white one or you can use the brown one. To that I'll be adding some seasoning to taste, everyone. Keep watching, don't go away. If this is your first time to my channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video to friends and families. To that, I added my yellow chili pepper, chopped onions, and then I'll be mixing this to combine with a turning stick, some salt to taste. Don't always forget that, and don't forget to use toast and salt according to your taste. And then after mixing this to combine, I would also allow it to simmer on a low flame for just 10 minutes, everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get alerts when new videos are updated in this channel every week. And don't forget to support my channel by watching the ads and also leaving your super thanks charts at the comment section down below. Okay, I also have some nice playlists on Nigerian traditional soups and so many other ingredients. So many other recipes like breakfast, rice, and lots more. So when you come to my channel, don't just hurry, so relax and watch. There are lots of tips on how to cook different recipes in Nigeria, in fact in Africa. So please don't go away. When you come to my channel, don't be on a hurry to leave. So while this soup is cooking, we are going to melt the obolo. We're using the fry method. So once the palm oil gets hot, add your already blended obolo, and then begin to stir fry this in a circular motion with your turning stick until all lumps blends together. Once everything blends together, turn the flame off. Remember to do this on a low flame once the oil gets hot, and remember you are not blanching the oil. It's just allow it to get hot. So you can see all lumps are blended properly, they have all melted. So we turn off the flame and set this aside. So at this point the soup stock is ready. So we're adding the already stir fried obolo into the pot, and once you add, take your turning stick and mix to combine, and then allow it to cook properly for at least 5 minutes on a medium to high flame. And once it is cooking properly, it begins to bubble and begins to give you the draw thick texture, exactly what you see on the screen. A consistency that you would need. At this point, I will be adding the leaf. Lots of people use bitter leaf for their obolo and ugu. For me, the best leaf for obolo is uziza leaf. Let me know at the comment section if you agree with that, if you have ever tried it. So our soup is ready. So let me know at the comment section if this two soup is not delicious soup. If you've tested, then let me know at the comment section. So everyone, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. I see you all in my next video, and bye for now.